Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add timestamps to your YouTube videos using phone. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube Studio app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the app, tap the content at the bottom of your screen and find the video you want to add timestamps to. Tap on the video. After that, tap on the pencil icon at the top. Next, tap on descriptions. From here, you can add timestamp. Scroll down and you will see the big text box where the description goes. Now type your timestamp in the format. Put each time on a new line. Add a short title after each time. The moment you save, YouTube will turn them into a clickable chapter. After you finish typing your timestamp, tap the back arrow in the top left and then tap save. Your timestamp are now published. Open the video in the YouTube app. Scroll below the video and you should see the chapters. You can also scroll the timeline and see chapter name. And that's all. Now you know how to add timestamp to your YouTube videos using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.